Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert bar graph in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I insert bar graph in this document. At first you have to go insert menu. Now you can see here are chart option. Now you can see here are bar. Just press it. Now wait some moment. Now you can see I insert bar graph. Now you can't move this graph. If you want to move this then you have to go image option, then press in front of text. Now you move this graph on your way. Now you can see I insert bar graph in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for